pa rin yung lately, I haven't been getting much sleep. Pero, I'm gonna switch niya. Konti lang muna. And then, I'm gonna okay, after 4 hours and 30 minutes, we are done. And ito lang yung design. Mukha lang siyang simple. Pero hindi. Kasi 3D design yung each fruit. Ang cute! It looks so yummy. Meron akong cherry, blueberry, lime, raspberry, and an orange dito. Ang cute talaga. Ito yung nails ko kasi I'm going to Bali sa Thursday. Pero ang agenda ko muna, tomorrow magpapa-JOC ako. And then I have to pack for Bali. And then Tuesday, I have to work. Wednesday, I have to work. And then Thursday, I'm gonna fly to Bali na. But anyway, since Sunday ngayon, I think I'm just gonna go to the gym. And then, since umuulan, I think I'm gonna wear a jacket kasi super lakas ng ulan ngayon. So, feeling ko malamig sa gym ngayon. So, jacket it is. There. Perfect. Okay, so, time check. 10:54 p.m. and nag-start ako mag-gym, I think 7 p.m. Inorasan ko siya just so I know kung gaano ako katagal mag-gym. Pero, yung workout set na pinagawa sa akin ng coach ko, parang mga nasa 1 hour lang. 8 p.m. tapos na ako, pero I decided to do yung Stairmaster, which is malala. Pero naka 30 minutes ako doon. And then, inantay ko lang yung boyfriend ko kasi nag 8 km run siya. So, another 30 minutes ako ng inclined walk. So, and then, grabe, gutom na ako. And ayoko na gumawa ng dinner. So, nagsalmon na lang ako. And then, yung kalabasa na niluto ko. Yung recipe na to is nandun sa last vlog ko. And yung salmon kasi, alam nyo, nang super go-to ko yan. Kasi air fryer lang yan. And then, I'm done. Tapos, itong shirataki rice lang. Medyo late na yung dinner ko though. So, ito yung kailangan kong improve yung time or yung oras ng kain ko. Kasi wala akong specific oras ng kain. Which is dapat meron. Para alam ko kung kailan ako magugutom, ganun. Para maayos. But anyway, bon appetit! First big bite, everyone. Cheers! And then, I got this sauce also nung nag-marketplace ako. And, hindi ko alam kung para saan to. Pero, nung tinry ko siya dito sa salmon, drizzle lang ng super onte, like 1 dot lang. And then rice, of course. Ang sarap niya with salmon. I'm gonna do that again. So, time check, it's around 11:55 and I know it's super late pero patapos na rin ako dito. But after dinner, umakyat lang ako dito to finish some deadlines kasi naalala ko, Monday tomorrow, so kailangan kong tapusin lahat ng deadlines ko para masubmit ko na to on time tomorrow. Kasi tomorrow may another agenda pa tayo so hindi ko na magagawa to ng morning. Kasi morning magpapadentist ako yung for root canal ko. So ayun, gusto ko muna to matapos para another agenda tayo tomorrow kasi medyo busy yung week ngayon bago ako mag-Bali. So, let me just edit this real quick.
Almost gone through a lot.
It's my voice. Okay, friends, one last before I sleep. Nakalimutan ko. Nagpadala nga pala yung Dior Beauty ng items. And sabi ko, i-vlog ko to kasi I wanna open it. And, ang cute-cute ng collection na to. So, let's open it together. Pampasaya lang ng gabi ko. As a lip balm girly, alam niyo, mahilig ako sa lip balm. And look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, meron siyang little dangling na Dior dyan just to spice up yung lip balm. Look. And binalik din nila yung Dior backstage nila na blush. And ngayon, alam ko nagdagdag pa sila ng other shades and iniba na rin nila yung component or yung packaging niya. Ta-da! Meron na siyang mirror. And wow! I like this shade. They also sent me itong MagSafe or suction. And I can stick it here! Yay! Nakikita niyo ba? Oh my gosh, color pink and itong print ng phone case ko. Looks so cute. Hala. They also sent me the blush. Yung component niya is same ng mga lippy component nila. Pero ito, mas chunky na siya. And, naka-stick na siya. Tapos, ito yung blush. Igaganon niya lang siya. For me, I like this. Super smart nang nakaisip neto. So, definitely, super dali lang dalhin neto sa kung saan-saan. And feeling ko parati ko tong dala. Kasi, para siyang on-the-go blush. Diyan lang and then bam. Look at that. She a Dior girly or whatever. I'm so happy. It's all so cute. Right, Deuce? It's all so cute, no? You say to Dior Beauty, thank you for sending these and for making my mommy happy. Thank you, Dior Beauty. Good night, good night, good night. Na-distract ako sa mga jars and I feel like I need these kind of things sa house. Super useful kasi ng mga ganito sa house. So I think I'm gonna get some jars. Alam agad ni Boy na may pasalubong siya. Oh, nanginginig! Nanginginig sa excitement! I got them some treats lang. Ito yung favorite nila ever. And then ito try ko lang. Para naman ma-enjoy ni Loopy. Kasi si Loopy hindi na siya nagtutoy. Kasi nga senior na siya. And then for Boy, for my duty, it's this one! It's a monkey! Tada! Ang cute! Mahilig kasi si Du sa mga stuffed toy looking na mga toys. Sit! Touch! High five! The other one. Touch. High five. Okay. Stay. Look at mommy. Okay. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, I'm starting to shoot now. Peek through ng mga i-feature kong products. This one I've tried na and it's actually really nice. Galing talaga ng Easy for that. But anyway, I'm gonna do my lippy muna. Ito yung super favorite ko. Very muted brown yung color niya. Hindi halatang nag-lip liner ka. Parang lumalaki lang lalo yung lips mo. And then, for my lippy, itong MAC na taupe lang. And then, ang favorite gloss ko kapag nagme-makeup review ako sa TikTok is this one. From Kiko Milano in the shade 49. Parang nag-plump talaga yung lips ko. Ganda. Welcome to my TikTok BTS. Diyan lang kayo. This is the latest from Easy. It's their under eye. So, I have here all the shade. Ito yung fluid and ito yung powder on me. And ang tip ko sa inyo, tada! I think I am done! Sumakit yung arms ko dun. Another day, another gym time, and I really want to take advantage na, by the way, di ko pala yata, oh, dyan pa si Daddy. So, andito yung whole family ko kasi nag-shabu-shabu night kami. Actually, lunch pala yun, pero gabi na. And then now, I'm gonna go to the gym kahit super lakas ng ulan kasi I wanna take advantage nung very active self ko. Kasi magbabali na naman ako. So, one thing for sure, medyo mahihirapan na naman ako bumalik sa workouts pagbalik ko ng Pilipinas. So, I wanna take advantage of that na medyo free yung time ko ngayon. So, mag-workout na ako. I think I'm just gonna do Stairmaster again kasi na-enjoy ko siya nung last visit ko. So, I can do that. This is what I'll be wearing. One of my favorite sets. This one is from Shape Active. Pinapang-run ko to, pinapang pilates, pinapang gym ko, pang all around, and minsan I run errands din dito sa cyclings na to kasi super comfy niya. And in case na malamig sa gym, I have this white jacket na may pagka windbreaker-ish to fit. Let's go and do some cardio. So, currently, nasa season 2 na ako ng pinapanood ko. Hindi ko muna sasabihin kung ano, kasi feeling ko isa-spoil niyo ako kapag alam niyo. Hi, dudes! But anyway, I got my grades! And nakaligo na rin ako. Nakapag-workout ako. Super productive. Wow! Pero feeling ko if pinapanood niyo to, alam niyo na agad yung boses nito. By the way, nag-dinner pala ako before this one. So, ito yung little dessert ko.